السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. هنبتدي في أول درس بيولوجي، أول ثانوي. وهنتكلم النهاردة، قبل ما نبتدي أي حاجة هنتكلم عن ال preliminary lesson. وزي ما احنا عارفين إن هي human body consists of a group of system. Each system consists of a group of organs. Each organs consists of a group of tissues. Each tissue consists of a group of cells, and these cells consist of organelles, and each organelle consists of a group of molecules, and each molecule consists of atoms. The atom, this is the fundamental unit of the human body. Right. By the following sequence, we find the cell. The cell are made up of organic molecules and inorganic molecules. What is the difference between organic molecules and inorganic molecules? The organic molecules, they are large size molecules that contain carbon C and hydrogen H atom. يبقى الorganic molecule consists of we can differentiate between organic and inorganic. Inorganic consists of carbon and hydrogen, and called macromolecules. Macro means big. But in organic molecules, they are molecules that often doesn't contain carbon, small in size. Okay. Organic molecule البيزك بتاعها H و C زي ما احنا قلنا, such as for example carbohydrates, lipids, protein, and the nucleic acids. But in organic molecule, such as water and mineral salts. Okay? So the cell of living organisms are made up of organic molecule and inorganic molecule. Organic molecule large in size, and the basic is hydrogen and carbon. This is called biological macromolecule. But inorganic molecule doesn't contain carbon atom. Organic molecules such as carbohydrates, protein, lipids, nucleic acid, but inorganic molecules such as water and mineral salt may consist carbon or not. Okay? Are you understand? We can study today the macromolecule, organic molecule, or biological macromolecule. Biological macromolecules, they are large in size. Large size زي ما احنا قلنا. Compounds, large organic compounds, and are made up of a similar molecule. All of them contain carbon element. زي ما احنا قلنا البيزك بتاع الماكرو carbon and hydrogen. Okay? They are extremely necessary for a life living organism. تمام. Most of macromolecules called polymers. What is the meaning of polymers? It means they are formed of combination of small size molecule called monomer called polymer. Again, most of macromolecules are called polymers that are formed by combination of small size molecule called monomers. Polymerization process بيكون لي polymer. So the polymer consists of many of the monomers. تمام. They are classified according to their molecular structure and function. طيب for group, وده اللي احنا هندرسه في الليسن ده. Group of polymers like carbohydrates, lipids, protein and the nucleic acid RNA و DNA. طيب قبل ما ادرس كل واحد لوحده لازم اعرف المونيمر بتاع كل واحد فيهم. Each group consists of smaller molecules as shown the following. الكربوهيدرات مثلا عبارة عن chloroplast consists of chloroplast والchloroplast consists of starch and starch consists of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides this is the monomers of the carbohydrates. طبعا ان الكربوهيدرات ده عبارة عن polymers. طب ايه المونيمرز بتاع الكربوهيدرات؟ البيزك بتاع الكربوهيدرات او الكربوهيدرات دي بتتكون من several monomers. المونيمرز دي اسمها ايه او بتبقى ايه؟ this is the monosaccharides. carbohydrates monomer monosaccharides. طب الليبيد يا ميتس، الليبيدز اللي هي الفاتي اسيدز، الفاتس المونيمر بتاعها فاتي اسيدز. يبقى الليبيدز this is the monomers of lipid fatty acids. This is the monomer of protein amino acids. This is the monomers of protein amino acids. Last one, nucleic acid. Nucleic acid, this is the monomer of nucleic acid, nucleotide. Nucleotide. تمام. Each group consists of smaller molecule, carbohydrates, the monomer of carbohydrates, monosaccharides. The monomer of lipid, fatty acids. The monomer of protein, amino acids. The monomer of nucleic acid, nucleotide. Are you understand? We can study today carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, they are biological macromolecules. لسه قايلينها ان الكربوهيدرات والليبيد والبروتين and the nucleic acid this is the macromolecules polymers. اوكي وعرفنا لسه قايلين المونيمرز بتاعت البوليمرز دي they are made up of many smaller monomers called monosaccharides. The monomer of carbohydrates monosaccharides, the simplest type of carbohydrates. Okay, this is a fundamental. This is the basic of carbohydrates called monosaccharides. They include each of sugar, starch, and fibers. Carbohydrates consist of sugars, starch, and fibers. طب الفورمولا بتاعتها ايه يا ميس المونوساكرايدز دي؟ CH2O by N. Okay? CH2O by N. This is formula show as carbohydrates are made of carbon C and the hydrogen H. This is the basic of a macromolecule. Okay? And the AMS and oxygen atom with a ratio 1 to 1. يعني أنا لو عندي 1 من السي هيبقى عندي 2 من الاتش هيبقى عندي 1 من الاو 1 to 2 to 1. اوكي طب ايه ال N دي؟ ال N دي is the number of formula. اوكي طيب الكلوروبلاست اتفقنا ان هي have the many of starch and the monomers of carbohydrates, monosaccharides. The chloroplasts contain which of monosaccharides. طيب عندي والثانية هتوضح لي أكتر. Classification of carbohydrates. This is the formula. C. Classification of carbohydrates. نخلي الفورمولا شوية كده عشان ما نستصعبش الموضوع وهنحفظها مع الوقت. طيب classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified according to their molecular structure. يا إما تبقى simple sugar or complex sugar. Carbohydrates, they are two types of carbohydrates, simple sugar or complex sugar. Simple sugar have two types, monosaccharides and disaccharides. Mono means one, such as glucose, fructose, galactose, and ribose. Disaccharides, di means two, such as lactose, maltose, saccharose. Finally, complex sugar, poly means several types of sugar, such as starch, cellulose, and glycogen. Okay? طيب أول حاجة هندرس simple sugar. simple sugar soluble in water، زي الشجر اللي أنا بستخدمها في المشروبات بتاعتي، عبارة عن soluble in sugar in water and having a low molecular weight, having often a sweet taste. تمام. This is the properties of simple sugar. The properties of simple sugar: soluble in water, having a low molecular weight, and having often a sweet taste. طب their types يا إما تبقى monosaccharides أو disaccharides. واتفقنا إن mono means one. They are made up of one molecule only which contain a chain of carbon atom. ده اللي أنا قلت لكم نقف عنده شوية. دي اسمها كربون تشين يا شباب. دي اسمها أما أجي أعمل الرسمة دي معناها كربون تشين. طيب أما أجي أقول لك بقى إن السمبل شوجر consists of one molecule only consists of a chain of carbon atom. عبارة عن تشين واحدة من الكربون atom 3 to 6 atom. There each carbon atom is connected to oxygen. في واحدة متصلة بالأكسجين and the hydrogen atom in certain والهيدروجين بقى في certain way. طيب are classified as simple type of sugar زي ايه؟ زي الجلوكوز، grape sugar، fructose fruit sugar، galactose، ribose اللي هو البنتوز بتاع الار ان اي، وهنعرف بعد كده يعني ايه ريبوز ويعني ايه ار. طيب نيجي للدايساكرايدز، واتفقنا ان الدايساكرايدز they are made up of two molecules of monosaccharides. This means the disaccharides consist of mono plus mono. Mono plus mono equal di. طيب يبقى disaccharides they are made up of two molecules of monosaccharides linked together to form disaccharides. Monosaccharides plus monosaccharides means أو equal disaccharides. For example والحتة دي حفظ sum. Lactose milk sugar consists of glucose plus galactose. طب المالتوز يا ميس malt sugar consists of two glucose molecules. Saccharose cane sugar consists of glucose plus fructose. Lactose consists of glucose plus galactose. Maltose consists of two glucose molecules, and the saccharose consists of glucose plus fructose.